Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to tackle chocolate stains. With such a wide variety of chocolate food items to enjoy, there are higher odds of eventually getting chocolate stains on clothes and upholstery. Today I will show you how to easily remove them using only one product. I put some chocolate on this top and now I will show you what to do. This is a very fast and easy method to remove chocolate stains from fabric. Use a teaspoon to carefully scrape excess chocolate off the fabric. This will help prevent the stain from spreading throughout the removal process. Run cold water over the stained area. This will help to gently loosen the stain from the fibers in the fabric. Use the magic product, shaving foam or shaving gel. Apply a generous amount of it on the stain and let it sit for 30 minutes. If you're interested, I just did a video on how to remove ketchup or tomato sauce stains. I will link it at the end of this video. Be sure to check out other videos like this. I will link my cleaning hacks playlist to help you clean faster and easier. Rub a little bit and that's it. The stain is gone, just like magic. If you still have something on your fabric, repeat the process. Remember to use cold water and be sure not to place it in the dryer unless the stain is completely gone. You can see the stain is completely gone. This method works 100%. I let the top air dry and you can see it's stain-free. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye!